Today's lesson will help students realize there's more to the Earth's atmosphere than just something we breathe. The Earth would look like the moon without its atmosphere. This investigation will demonstrate that the air around us exerts a strong pressure on everything. Have the students fill a small cup with water and place an index card over the open end. They should hold the cup over a sink or a large container enough to catch the water if it spills. Have them hold the card in place while they turn the cup upside down and then carefully remove their hands without squeezing the cup. Before they read the scientific stuff, have them try to think of reasons why the water didn't fall out of the cup. Have them predict whether or not this activity would have had the same result if they were on the moon.